Welcome to Long Arm Wednesday. I'm Laura Lynn of the Mama Pop Quilt Shop, and we're very happy to see you here today. Today we're working on our project we did via our live streams for the pretty much month of August. It's called a Prism Quilt. It was a bunch of kits that I bought from Craftsy when it was Craftsy, and this was one of them, and we decided to give it away to one of our streamers, or our viewers, our fans. So thank you so much for everybody who was watching and participated and entered all your words. It was very nice to see so many. And now we're just quilting it up. She kind of gave me my choice, so I thought, you know what? Let's do something a little special. And it turned out to be 54 by 54. And I like it. And we chose a nice little, the gray-white marble backing that I have here. And the thread that I'm using is, I forgot, but it's purple pink. It's purple pink. It's really pretty. Actually, where's the other? I'll show the small camera. There, just by the little needle there. Hopefully you can see that. Isn't that cute? I like that color. I think it suits it quite well. So, and it is the bottom thread and the top thread. And I have my little plate on right there because I'm going to do a little bit of work in here. And I also have it off the belt. So it's not on the belts at all. It's all loosey-goosey, as they say. So I don't need this right now. So I'm just going to put it off to the side. I'm going to show you what I'm going to do on the outside borders here. So for this one on the inside, I can only go so far because of the way my plate is. So forgive the shortness of what I'll be working on. So in here, I just kind of want to do just like a gentle curve, just to fill in the gap in between the two blocks, right? Why something had stopped me there? Why? Uh-oh, hold on. Okay, that's all right. And then move it across here, and then just very gentle, like a nice little swoop, like very following these kind of curves that are going on in that border. And then for the one outside here, I'm going to do not necessarily the wishbone. It's kind of like the wishbone. It only does the one, and then we're going to go stop, and then we're going to go here, and then stop, and then do the curve right into the center. Just add a little bit, to keep it all together. So let's start there first. Okay, I think I'd start here. Okay, actually, no, here. There we go. 12 stitches per inch. Threads off to the side, and rocking and rolling. So just to there, and then instead of doing the wishbone again, I'm just going to come straight down, and then here, and then back up, and then here. And then this one, I was going to follow it, leave that one just the way it is, and then come up to the top, because you're stitching out that square, and then the same, here, and then back up, and then here, and back up. Don't forget to move. Try and be as smooth as you are with your machine, move as one. Try to. Okay. So that's what's going to go on the outside here. Let's just finish this whole row. Some of these fabrics are just so amazing. Actually, they were all pretty amazing. Definitely had some favorites. And you guys did too. It's just 80-20 batting. That's what she had asked. But the rest is pretty much up for me to do. So congratulations once again, Suzanne, for winning this beautiful Prism Quilt. Okay, and then I was going to go here, and then up to here, and down to here, and over there, and over here, and over there. And make it pretty. And mimicking some of the, obviously the shapes that are in. Okay, I think I can only go this one, and then I'm going to have to stop because of the plate. So let's stop there. Okay. Do some lock and stitches on the outside there. And then we'll do that gentle little curve right on the inside there. Okay, start about here. I'm just going to start in this where I can meet up with it. You know, when I go to roll the quilt, right? So, okay, and just gentle it, but just a little curve. Try and keep it consistent, or you can make it all crazy. You can start putting spirals and whatever. Just making it look pretty, but not overly quilted either. And I don't really want to take away from this beautiful wavy fabric that they have going on for this border. Don't forget to move, gentle steps. Probably about there just to make sure, and then I'll pick up at that spot when I roll the quilt. Okay, super easy. That's super fun. Very easy to get a quilt done that way. Okay, and now for this little section. I can't go too far down here, so actually I'll just show you on this one. It's probably the best to show you on this one here. Okay, 1 second. Tickle. Okay, here we are at the top, but we kind of just want to start off pretty much in that corner. I was going to say a little bit in, but I don't think that's probably the right choice. So come up, and then we're just going to kind of hit the middle spot that we kind of guess that's going to be, because we have to come back up on an angle again, and then again down to the middle spot and back up. I'm trying to make it so they all kind of look like they're little fractured prisms that they were to begin with, right? So here's hoping. So I'm going to put my little ruler as where, well, I can think that it might be the middle spot there. Sorry. Okay. And I do have a 1/4 inch foot on, so I'm going to stop right there, and this is where the ruler plate comes in handy, and your little plexi ruler. Okay, right up there to the top. And again, try and aim down to the center point. And that little touch of pinky purple thread, oops, will show up on these blues and the greens and the yellows. So it's going to add that little effect that we're looking for. Okay. There. You know, you could do this on your domestic. Take your time. No rush. There's nobody breathing down your neck. And this is a great project to put together. If you missed the videos that are coming together, go check them out. We have over 500 videos. I think we had counted 535 or something last time. We're probably at about 540 now. Okay. And that's how that was going to go. Isn't that pretty? And just pop it out that way. I thought about doing the little waves in the black parts here, but I may just stitch in the ditch around them, sort of thing. So that's literally how I will be finishing off this beautiful project. Isn't it lovely? Isn't it lovely? It's going to be fun to work on too, so it's going to take me a little time. So be patient, Suzanne. I'll get it to you, I promise. So thank you to everybody who partaked in, you know, watching it and putting in the words and just hanging out and having a good time and just sharing your company, because that's what it's all about. So thank you very, very much. Check us out on Patreon and, of course, all of our other videos, okay? So enjoy your Wednesday, and we will see you on Friday when we're working on, we're not doing a live stream, it's be video on demand. We're working on the Halloween quilt. It'll be one of the pumpkin blocks, the one that's like the half square triangle pumpkin block, okay? Not the paper piece one. Enjoy your day, and we will see you soon. Take care, everybody. Big hugs from us at the Mom and Pop Quilt Shop.